Haunting of Sloss Furnace.
For many years, Sloss Furnaces has been used as a haunted house attraction during the Halloween season. But let's go back to the start to see why this place has a spooky past. Birmingham, Alabama was founded in 1871 during the post-Civil War Reconstruction era through the merger of 3 farm towns, and with it the need for tons of pig iron to fix America's infrastructure. Colonel James Withers Sloss started construction on Sloss Furnaces in 1881, and in 1882 the company opened its doors to hundreds of employees. In the early 1900s, James Wormwood was a formidable foreman of the graveyard shift, the period between sunset and sunrise, where a small skeleton crew of nearly 150 worked through the night to feed the furnace. During the hot summer months, temperatures throughout the plant would reach more than 120 degrees. Lack of sleep, heat, and low visibility made work in the furnace a living hell. Only the poorest of workers, desperate for employment, would work it. Wormwood would make his workers take dangerous risks, forcing them to speed up production to impress his supervisors. During his reign, 47 workers lost their lives, 10 times more than any other shift in the history of the furnace. In October of 1906, James Wormwood lost his footing at the top of the highest blast furnace, known as Big Alice, and plummeted into a pool of melted iron ore. His body melted instantly. Many thought that workers had finally had enough of Wormwood's slave driving and fed him into the furnace, but no workers were ever brought to trial. Since his demise, strange things have been reported. There have been more than 100 reports of suspected paranormal activity at Sloss Furnaces, recorded in Birmingham police records. Reports of people being pushed, ghostly faces, and haunting sounds still haunt Sloss Furnaces to this day. Or is it just Halloween hoaxes? Happy Halloween.